BIC GRC is your all-in-one software suite that combines all disciplines of GRC. It is built to increase your organization's performance. The packaged solutions are fast to implement, intuitive to use, and extensible, so you are well equipped to meet today's high standards as well as future challenges. With BIC BSI Grundschutz, you profit from the most efficient way to map your information security management in line with the IT-Grundschutz compendium within weeks and without the need for complex Excel applications. BIC BSI Grundschutz delivers state-of-the-art technology and conforms to popular standards, making it the top choice for all types of organizations and users. The BSI Grundschutz compendium comprises 810 pages, all of which are integrated in BIC BSI Grundschutz. Additionally, every elementary threat, as well as all requirements of the BSI Grundschutz, are listed in the solution. There is also a mapping between the BSI Grundschutz requirements and the ISO 27001 NXA controls. This way, you have to assess your ISMS only once, but are compliant to both standards. With its transparent reporting options, BIC BSI Grundschutz provides a detailed overview of all your assets. The Asset Audit Report shows you exactly which elementary threats are relevant for your asset. It also lists all requirements according to BSI and shows you how they were assessed in detail. Finally, all risk assessments for the asset are also visualized in the report. To get a precise overview on your overall ISMS progress, BIC BSI Grundschutz provides an ISO 27001 report that shows the exact degree of fulfillment. This report can be generated either for the entire company or be filtered by department, country, and even single BSI modules. On the first page of a management review, you can see the overall progress as well as the degree of fulfillment for each chapter in general. This overview is followed by an in-detail breakdown for each ISO control. Here, it also shows the fulfillment for each asset and BSI module. On the dashboard of BIC BSI Grundschutz, you get an overview of all risks or elementary threats that have been found during the assessment. You can also create ad hoc risks and measures. These are depicted by two ring charts that are segmented by workflow status. Risks are visualized by their risk value, while measures are separated by risk strategy. BIC BSI Grundschutz also shows you what's new. For example, the counters below show you how many work items have been created or changed in the last 14 days. Soon due and overdue measures are highlighted. The dashboard is dynamic, which means you can click on any element to get more information.